Hello everybody! Welcome back to some more daily rainy nonograms. I have kind of missed saying those words. It is 1 a.m. December 14th. We are doing the December 13th puzzle. To briefly explain why I was gone, I had finals. But now, I am back and I'm gonna start doing this more consistently now. And yeah, so I hope during my break I get to push out as many videos as I can. Anyway, let's start. So, anything to see? What about this 944 here? Maybe not a lot, but something, right? Maybe this 519 as well. That's minus 8, like that. 2, 4, 11, minus 6. 3, 3, 10. Minus 7. Yeah. A 9 for 4, same thing as here. 7-Eleven, like the convenience store. Minus 6. And minus 6 there. Alright. I do have kind of a cough though. And I've had it for like the past week. So if you hear me coughing or like clearing my throat pretty often in this video, that explains why. I don't know. I'm fine, but like, it's pretty annoying. It is pretty annoying. I can't lie, but it is what it is. Anyway, alright. There's a lot actually. There's a lot to go through. There's a lot. 11. No, 11 there. 2, 4. It's minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 17. And then 6. Minus 6. Like that. Alright. Yeah, sure. You know what? Let's do this one. 13 to 1. That just leaves that. Okay. Let's start. Is there anywhere to go? It's a 9, 7. Okay. That's a 1 and a 5. This is a 9. That's a 2. Nothing here. We can extend this 9. And everything else? Nope. But this 3. Yep. That's a 4. This is a 7, 2, and a 1. It's at least a 3. This is a 5. Yeah. Nothing here, nothing here. 3, 3, 7, like that. Okay. That is a 4. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 3 and a 1. That's a 3. Nothing here. That is a 3 and a 2. This is a 9. Let's extend that. 2, 3, 2, 1. That's a 1, and this is a 9. Minus 4. Up to there, I believe. What? Wait, what was it? Sorry. There, okay. Now that makes sense. 519 minus 4. Yeah. So that's a 4, that's a 6. 4, 6, and here. Okay. 4, 3, 4. 3 has to be here. 3, 3. So 9. Nothing here. Okay. That's a 6. We can limit to there. 3, 3. That's a 4. That's a 1. That's a 1. That's a 3. That's a this 6. Yep. Looking good so far. I believe this accounts for everything. So this is the 6. That's a 5. And that's a 4. Okay. Hmm. Where else? Where else? Can we extend this 4? Yeah, we can. So nothing here. Not very helpful. Hmm. Where now? I'm scanning around. We could probably extend this, no? 14 and then 3. Yeah, minus 6. Like that. 6 and then 4. This is part of the 10. Right? No. Oh, wait. No. It doesn't have to be. But this, we limit that. Nothing here. 6. 6. Wait, sorry. 6. No, it doesn't fit. So one of the 6s is here. Minus 2, 17, 13, 8, 1, 5, nothing. 6, 2, 5, 4, nothing. 4, nothing. That's a 5, 2, 1, 11. Let's extend that over here. This is the 4. 5, 11. Okay, very nice. 7, 7, 3, 3. Hang on, let me try something. 3, 3, 3, 1. Doesn't fit. So one of the 3's is up here, completing the 11. Okay, and that's a 5. That's a 3. This is a 5. That's a 3. That's a 7. We can extend that here. 9, 7, 7, 8, 3, 5. Ooh, okay. That's a 3. That's a 1. That's a 5. 7. Cut that. 6, 7 here. 1. Nothing. 7. That's a 6. 5 over here. Yeah, looks good to me so far. Nothing here. We can finish this 11. Oh no. Wait, simple fix. This is fine, right? Please. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine. I misread that as the 4. Okay, good thing that I don't think that affected us very much. So we'll keep playing. Alright. Where now? Okay, if this is the 3, that's the 4. So we can put all the x's on that gap. It's a 1. We can connect this 9. Minus 6. Wait. 9 minus 6. Do the same thing here. 9 minus 6. Yep. So that is an 8. Like here. 2, 1, and then 9. We can extend the 9 to all the way over there. So this is a 3. That's a 3. And a 10. Okay. I think we can block that off. Yep. 3. Okay, 3. 3. Minus 1. Minus 1. This is a 5. Block this off here. Block that. 6 minus 3. 2, 2, 2. Nothing. 7 minus 2. 3. 2. 3, 1, 3. Or I'm not sure yet. But that's a 1. What else? What else? What else? Hmm. Can we extend this? Oh, we can. -4. That's a 9. That's a 9. So this, it cannot be part of the 10 because that leaves no space for the 4. So this is part of the 4. And this is the 10. We can block this off here. Okay. Hmm. There's a 2. That's a 4. Wait. We can't block it off, but we can... No, we can't do anything about that right now. 7, 4, 2, 1, 5. I don't know. Where else can we go? Strap in, folks. We might be in here for the long run. That's an 8, 7, -1. I mean, -7. Phew. What can I do? Oh, that's... Oh, I'm stupid. That's a 5. And that's a 3 and a 2. This is a 3. That's a 1. That's a 2. That's a... This is a 1, this is a 4. 2, 1, 9. 1, 1, 2, 3. Can we... I don't know. 6. Okay, 6 has to be up here. -5. That's 1. Cut this off. Am I still correct? I'm kind of lost. Alright. I'm kind of lost. Maybe I'm rusty or something, but I'm not finding the openings. Oh my god, that's a big opening right there. That's a 4. Maybe even this one. That's a 4. Okay, 5, 4, 4, 1, 3. Dude. Okay, I'm washed. Well, I'm rusty. Rusty nonograms, bro. 2, 1 complete. 4, 2, 9. Nothing here. 1, 7, 8. Nothing. 3. That's a 1. It's a 4. 9, 4 minus 2. 6. 4, 2. 11. 6. Right there. That's a 2. Nothing here. That's a 4. 4. 6. 4, 3, 4, 3. For 8, 3, 4. Extend. That's a 4. That's a 4. That's a 9. Okay. 5, 4, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3. So 10. That's a 1. Okay, 3, 1. And then 3, 1. Nice. 1, 1, 1. 9 to here. Okay, that's a 3, that's a 4. 6 right to here. That's a 2. There's nothing here. That's a 9. That's a 7. What now? Should be more. Should be more. Should be more. There should be more. Ah, here. This is complete. 3. Yep. 1, 4, 2. 2 is complete. So 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, and there we go. 2, 3. That's a 1. This is a 5. I'm correct, right? Please tell me I'm correct. Yeah, I'm still good. So that's a 4. 9, 8, complete. 5, yep. 4. This is a 14. So 6. 4. 4. 3, 2, 3. Part of the 6. 7, 8. Okay. 2, 3. 1, 1. Wait. 1, 1, 1. 8. Very nice. That's a 2. Nothing over here. This is an 8. This is a 9. That's a 4. That's a 5. Okay. 2, 3, 3. Nothing here. 2, 4. Nothing here. That's an 11 already. Yep. So this is a 3. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 3. 3, 3, 3. Good. Good. 1. 8. Yep. 1, 3, 6, 3. 2, 3, 1, 1. No, wait, that's a 1. I'm being pretty slow, but I am kind of out of practice. So that explains that. Nothing here. 2, 1. Wait. 2, 1, 3, 1. So nothing. That's a 3. And this is a 6. That is an 11. That's a 6. Yeah. 1, 1, 3, 4. 6, 2. 3, 2. Nothing here. 2, 1, 4, 2. Nothing. 11. Nothing. 6. Over there. Ooh, this is rough. 4, 4. Nothing here. Nothing there. Nothing here. 6, 3. There's 2. 1, 6. Minus 2. 4. 7. There's a 3. 4 minus 1. 6. 6. 4. 5. 1, 2, 4, 7. That should be correct. Please let me right. Yep. 4, 3, 2, 3. Somewhere is a 1. That's a 4. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's an 8. 4, 6, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 2. So 9, 4, 4, 3, 3, 10, 2, 3, 1, 4. I don't know. 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 9, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 9, 2, 3, 1, 4 complete, 2, 4, 11 complete, that's a 10, 4, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 2, 8, 6, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 7, 1, 8, 5, 3, 7, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 3. Almost there, almost there. Come on, stay awake. 4, 1, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 4 complete. 3, 4. That's a 1, that's a 2, that's a 1, 3, 6, and last one. Oh wait, sorry, not last one. There, 3. Sorry, 3, 4, 1, and 1. This is the last one. Huh? Oh. Wait. Pause, please. Crap. No. No, don't do this to me. 7, 3, 9, 1, 1, 1. That's complete na. This is 3, 2. This is 14. That's the last one. Oh, I saved it. Alright. Well, that's gonna be it for tonight's video. I hope I will get to see you guys tomorrow. For tomorrow's Nonogram. It's been nice. Let me regain the skill a little bit. Maybe it's also because I'm sleepy, but I'm gonna go to bed. I will upload this tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye.